Good morning, children. Today I am here with a poem named The Quarrel, written by Eleanor Farjion, class 6th English. Today we have to proceed our session number 2. In previous session we have discussed about the summary of the poem. Here first we should just recap or review of the poem. Then after we have to continue our textual exercise and try to cover the questions and answers. In this poem, the poet is trying to explain how a quarrel between two brothers began and ended without any reason. The poet says that he quarreled with his brother over something and he was not even aware what he was quarreling about. In the summary section, we have to see that the poet quarreled with her brother and she is not so sure what the reason of the quarrel was about. From one thing to another or the other, the quarrel started and the quarrel to the utmost. When the quarrel started, it was slight, but when it was ended, it was very widened and strong. All to the poet, her brother demanded himself to be right, but she knew that she was wrong. So after the quarrel, they started to hate each other, and the afternoon turned out to be the black one. Then her brother took the initiative to assuage the quarrel. Then he thumbed on the back of her and said that he was wrong and they should not go on fighting any more. And thus he did the right work at last. So this was the summary earlier we discussed in our previous sessions video. So here we have to continue our textual exercise today. So let's move on. Here, working with the poem. In the very first question, with your friend or partner, try to guess the meaning of the underlined phrases. What you have to do? You have to underline word. You have to guess the meaning of the underlined words. So here in the first statement, and somehow we fell out. So the underlined statement is fell out. So we have to answer it. We have to find out or guess the meaning of the underlined phrase. So our answer is, here I am discussing. After that in upcoming slides you have to see the answers. Fell out means and there was something on which we quarreled. And again we are seeing that in question number 2, section 1, the afternoon turned black. So our underlined phrase is turned black. So we have to guess the meaning of turned black. It means afternoon seemed unpleasant and bad. When they started quarreling each other, it seemed unpleasant and back. The afternoon turned into the black one. So in the second question we have to see that read these lines from the poem. We have to read the lines first, then after we have to discuss the meaning of the lines from our partner. So first one is one thing led to another. Means one thing led to another means one argument leads another and there was a quarrel. In next statement we have to see that number 2, the start of it was slight. Means the start of it was slight means the quarrel started with a small reason or in the beginning quarrel was not fierce. Then in option number 3 we have to see that the end of it was strong. It means that the quarrel was fierce at the end. Number 4, the afternoon turned black. It means that the afternoon became bore and dull due to sadness. At the time, they were not happy. They hated each other. So so it was bore and dull due to sadness. Number 5, thumbed me on the back. It means that he persuaded him to patch up. They used to patch up with each other. So in question number 3, we see that here is a question. Describe a recent quarrel that you have had with your brother, sister, or friend. How did it start? What do you quarrel about, and how did it end? Later we have to discuss this one, and children, you have to share your own recent quarrel, share your own experience. We have to talk it about in upcoming slides. So let's move on to the question number 1. Already I have been discussed here. So here we have to see that question number 1, with your partner try to guess the meaning of the underlined phrases. And somehow we fell out, the afternoon turned black. So in the first answer we are seeing that started quarreling. And in second option we have to see that night came. Means they started quarreling during the afternoon, and it turned to be black, but still they quarreled each other. It was not over at the time. Let's see question number 2, already have been discussed. Read these lines from the poem. One thing led to another. The start of it was slight, the end of it was strong. The afternoon turned black, thumbed me on the back. Discuss with your partner what these lines means. Here we can see the answers. First we see that one reason led to another reason. Means sometimes we don't want reasons at all for quarreling. It is common for brothers and sisters to quarrel, although sometimes they may not even be able to say why they quarrel. But how long do such quarrels last? How do they end? Still they also don't know. So one reason led to the another reason. Move to the next. The start of it was slight, means the quarrel was started on small issue. In the beginning, quarrel was not fierce. In option number 3, the end of it was strong. It means that the quarrel was fierce at the end. Means it turned into a big fight from the small one. The afternoon turned black. It means that the afternoon became bore and dull due to sadness. Means afternoon passed and night came, but their fight continues. And number 5, thumbed me on the back. It means that he persuaded him to patch up. Means they used to try to come to an end of the quarrel. Here I put some additional questions based on the poem. See, how did the quarrel start? The quarrel started on a petty issue. On a very small issue they started quarreling without any of the reason. Move to next. Question number 4. How did the quarrel end? The quarrel ended in a friendly way. Brother itself realized that he did wrong. Then he convinced himself and he used to make patch up with his sister. So here the quarrel ended in a friendly way. Question number 5. How did they differ? They differed as each one said to be right. No one wants to be wrong. So at the time they used to say that they both are or both are right. Move to next. What was the quarrel about? The poem, the quarrel is about the quarrel between the siblings. The poet talks about the love hidden behind the quarreling of the siblings. They fight with each other, but they cannot live without each other. In the poem, the poet speaks about the quarrel between her and his brother. So, this quarrel is a symbol of love and affection, hidden love behind the siblings. So they fight with each other, but they cannot live without each other. So in the poem, the poet speaks about the quarrel between her and his brother. Move to next. Describe a recent quarrel that you have had with your brother, sister, or friend. How did it start? What did you quarrel about? How did it end? I have just given the simple answer here in a very simple manner. Children, you have to try your own way to express your experiences, whatever you have been faced at the time or still facing. So you have to share your own experiences of the recent quarrel. Here, recently I quarreled with my sister. She took my pencil with my father brought for me, which my father brought for me. I asked her to give it to me. She said that I had her pen. The arguments resulted in a quarrel. We stopped to talk with each other in the evening. My sister persuaded me. She gave my pencil back to me. I gave her pen to her. Both were happy now. So, still, this type of situations or the reasons of quarreling in between two of the friends, we are just seeing in our classroom too. In our classroom environment too, also, we are seeing number of examples of having such type of reasons. So, children, you have to share your own recent experiences of quarreling. Let's move to the assignment section. You have to pick out the rhyming words and opposite words from the poem. And you make more words too, at least 10 or 15 rhyming or opposite words. Here we see write 10 words end with ed, like turned, turned, thumbed, quarreled, and many more. So you have to try to make more. Thank you, children, for watching. Thank you.